Guys, this was a tough one. I had to pull out all the stops. I had to take some measurements off our other Model 3 and figure out what the heck was going on. And after, taking the hood up, looking at where the hinges were located, taking some measurements there, I finally got the hinges in the correct place. Then I was lining up at the latch, but it was latching really low. And I checked on here. You could shut the frunk without even the frunk tub in there, and it would still line up perfect. And I was like, wait a minute. But on this one, it would, without the frunk, it would just drop way in. Then I realized, duh, just got to raise the hinge, the little adjustments, the 2 bolts, loosen those, jumped it up, bam, lines up beautiful. I got everything assembled. I don't have everything tightened down, but I just got this just clipped on here. That's looking great on the bumper. This is clipping in real good here. This one's pretty good right here. Before I had a 1/4-inch gap there. The headlights, perfect gaps on those. The tub is nice gaps in here. And then I'll go ahead and close this. Might need a little adjustment there. Actually, I know what that is. That's that's those little rubber stoppers. I need to pull that side down a little bit. But for the most part, I'm getting really close. This side is great. This is nice and level. It's pretty consistent all the way along. Maybe right here, almost looks like it needs to go over a little bit. This side is actually tighter right here, but wider up on this side. This lines up nice. That runs pretty good there on the fender. Sadly, I got to take all this back off and get it painted, but I wanted to make sure that I could line this hood up as the best I could before I went ahead and took everything off again, because that's going to be hell. I might have to adjust the headlight in a little bit. It looks like it's sticking out a bit. Yeah, that one's, well, it sticks out a little bit here, but this is flush. I notice it kind of bulges out right here. And this is all still factory, so it's a good 1/8 gap, and it kind of tightens up over here. This is real good. That headlight sticking out a little bit more than the other one. Pretty good 1/8 gap all the way up here. So, yeah, that bumper line's real tight. Oh, because it's clamped up, whereas mine's just kind of clipped in here. I can just take it right back out. I don't have it tightened up. So yeah, I'm happy, really happy that I finally was able to close the trunk with those new hinges and get everything roughly lined up as best as I could for right now. I finally got it where I'm satisfied with it. I got it pretty flat right there, sticking up a little bit on this side. I am extremely happy with the gaps and the flushness of it. Fixed the headlight. Literally, you just loosen that bolt, push the headlight in, tighten the bolt back up, and now it's flush. So yeah, let me just go over points of adjustment here. And so yeah, you got your latch. So you adjust these 2 bolts to level it and line up where you insert the striker. And then over here, you got, you adjust your hood here, your 2 bolts, but you also have your 2 bolts on your hinge down in here. And with those, don't try to do both of them at one time, especially with the weight of the hood on it. What's going to happen is the weight of the hood's going to push the whole thing down, and then your hood's going to be laying way down in here. So what you want to do is pick it all the way up, like lift up all the weight on it, on the hinge, tighten one of them, and then tighten one of them completely. Set the hood down, and then you want to adjust back and forth on the whole hinge until you get usually this is what it seems like to me. This hinge adjusts this side. That hinge adjusts this side. You can kind of look at it as a cross pattern. So as you adjust that one, it pulls the hinge this way. As you adjust this one, it pulls the hood that way. So just work it one bolt at a time, the back bolt or the front bolt. So that way you're rolling the hinge up, rolling the hinge back, and then you can get your elevation correct, your front and back alignment. And once you get that refined the best you can, then maybe loosen your bolts on your hood and get it situated. In my case, I had to replace the hinges, but I'm kind of wondering now if they were really damaged or they just weren't just knocked out of whack. They were, because those slots are square slots and they allow a lot of movement. I mean, that hinge moves like a good 2 inches front and back and up and down about a half an inch. So, yeah. And the same goes for those. But, yeah, I'm happy with it. Now I got to take everything back off and get ready for paint. So yeah, we over here got my panels to my buddy Jeremy. He's painting everything for me. He's professional. I'm gonna leave it up to him. I'm just his helper today. And got the hood here. Fenders, we already scuffed them up. And bumper, I had primed it, and he said, that's decent. We'll roll with it. And he's got a lot of work to do. I gotta get you out of here, man. Man, have I got a newfound respect for this guy. He's in the hothouse every day. All right, we got them all laid up there, ready to spray. Hey, I even didn't forget my little bumper sensors and the tow hook cover. Hood's all clean. Fixing to tack it up and spray it. Oh, Jeremy just went in. He's going after it. Told me I probably wouldn't want to be in there without a mask. Might be able to stand in the corner, but I said, I'll just watch you from outside. Let you put that sealer coat on there. See him through the glass. It's all got stuff on it. Yep, I'm glad I didn't try to spray that. That man knows what he's doing. done baked it. Jeremy's gonna hit that bumper. He's still not satisfied with my texture coat. Looked like drywall mud over here. So he's gonna hit it with 1,000. It looks pretty good to me though, man. It's pretty smooth. This is sealer coat. Get a good shine on it. Oh yeah. These come out slick as a baby's bottom. Yeah. That's nice. That man know what he doing. Jeremy says we're ready for clear. It's looking good. Jet black. Bumper came out nice, even after I half-ass destroyed it. That white reflection is hard to see how black it really is. Let's see what it looks with the clear coat. Alright, all cleared, baked. Ooh, I think it looks pretty slick, man. I didn't screw it up that bad.
Nah, it's alright.
It's good. Looks better than that textured Toyota bumper or whatever it is out there.
Way better.
Jeez. Oh, man. Slick black.
Ooh, that's gonna look good.
Ooh, that's better than the factory paint job, Mr. Jeremy.
I'll thank you, thank you.
Where you said it had a couple specks in it? I don't even see them.
It's got one right here.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Something flew up on there. Oh, I see.
It's got a few in the center.
One way over there, huh? Yeah. That ain't nothing, man. All right. Sweet, brother. Appreciate it.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it.